Trang, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, so I'm in Nha Trang. I'm just going to try to do a little bit of an evening one and just film stuff like this cool building that I see right there with the illuminated lights underneath, more cool buildings. And I'm going to just kind of give you a little bit of a taste of Nha Trang in the evening and some of the lights on this street, and I'll also let you know what street this is as well. And I'm just giving you a little taste of streets of Vietnam. And we're in Nha Trang tonight, so let's check it all out. Nha Trang, let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. But this is one of the main tourist streets. When you come off of the beaches and you're going to walk around to your hotel or to wherever you're going to go, you'll probably be on this road, and there's lots of shops and stuff like that. Initially, I have the map, and then I also have music. So I made the music myself, so I put the lyrics into an AI program, and then I'll put the lyrics behind me. And next we're going to do the walk and talk, where I narrate with my voice. You can hear me kind of telling you what I'm seeing and what's around me. So okay, here's a slice of Nha Trang. This is number 3, and I have about at least a dozen more, maybe 15 more of Nha Trang that I'm going to upload. So subscribe if you want to see more of Nha Trang and see more of what the city and the tourist sites and the streets and the beaches all look like. Let's do it. So yeah, what's that one doing? Oh, she's going to meet right up. I guess because that guy's going the wrong way, I guess. So she's honking a horn to that guy because he's going the wrong way. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of checking out the interesting houses. The lights just came on as well. And I'm just going to kind of film interspersely on the street. This sign's missing a language. So there's Chinese and Vietnamese. And it's missing Russian, and it's missing Korean. So usually those are the ones that I see everywhere. We'll see more of those. I'm also just checking out the architecture as well in different places. Some cool little stuff like that little one. But then actually, if I look down these streets, you can see like more interesting buildings all the way down. And then on this side, there's also all these alleys. So this one is Vietnamese cuisine, and it has some French Van Gogh kind of stuff. And it has some really nice windows as well. Vietnam is beautiful. I love it. Here's some more cool stuff. And the Nha Trang Apartments is right there. And then you got this big high rise with, I think that's probably a hotel. And then you have these little shops like Egoist and somebody's up at the top. August. Viet Farm. Anyways, we're gonna keep on walking down. Huh, check this out. It's a tiny little house like that. Right next to this giant hotel right there. Got giant hotels. So this one is the Vinpearl Nha Trang Empire. So you can kind of see that one. So it's kind of this big, massive hotel on this otherwise kind of narrow street. I thought that was a tour bus for a second. So yeah, that's our street right there. And I guess you kind of need to know where this is located. So that is that street, and then this one is this one. So you can locate it over there. It's kind of, the city's actually bigger than I thought. I thought it was supposed to be kind of small, but actually there's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Like how cool that place is. I was going this whole time. So actually this is a street that we just did, and we just basically went all the way, came this way. And I think what I'm going to do is just end it, because this is kind of a good ending spot. So kind of a small video, but anyways.